Hello, good evening. This is Mohammed Fakhruddin and for Weather Kalvi YouTube channel. As we conducted earlier online course on programming languages, comparison of programming language, so which is C, C++, and Java. So comparison of three language we studied up to the basic level. So from today we are going to learn about programming language, how to write a program in the our own. We already studied in earlier, and in this session, in the course, in the level 2, we are going to learn about depth concepts of each and every programming language. So that is C, C++, Java. So these three languages we taken earlier for the basic language, basic programming language, how to write a programming language, how to write a programs in using real world concepts. So like that, these are the things we discussed in the level 1 course. So it consists of 15 classes. So if you didn't visited that, if you didn't attend that class, it is already uploaded in our channel, that is Aware Level Kalvi YouTube channel. So you just see that programming language basics class 1 to class 15. There are so many things we discussed earlier. So if you missed out that class, you just go through the uploaded videos. And if you are not subscribed this channel, our channel, Well Level Kalvi YouTube, Well Level Kalvi YouTube channel, you didn't subscribe, means subscribe and stay tuned with Well Level Kalvi YouTube channel. So there are so many informative videos are there. So visit that and share to your friends. And today I want to tell you something. So who are the online? First of all, I am just welcoming all. First one, Rasina Shifana, and then Magesh Prabhu, and then Muhammad Riaz, and then Aisha Mubin, and then Spafi Blossom. So Gemini Money. So these are in online, and they comments. So if you are anybody in online, you just comment please. Okay, fine. Anyway, so there are a few things I want to discuss now. So first thing, our channel, Where Level Kalvi YouTube channel, it is crossed 2,500 subscribers. So it is very happy news. And first of all, thanks to Almighty and all the praises to God. And moreover, secondary subscribers, students, teachers. So your supports are very much motivated, and you supported very well. And so you are supported more. You have to support more and more and more, and your supports are needed. So so number two, and number two is we conducted one contest, that is VLK contest, drawing and poster competition. So that drawing and poster competition, I want to share one thing. There are 208 members are registered, but only 38 mails we received up to the last date we announced, that is June 21, but up to June 21 we received only 36 mails, and up to 23 we received 38 mails only. So 34 and plus 2, so 36 plus 2, there are 38 mail only we received. So nowadays there are so many difficulties to send the certificate, so that we planned to send e-certificate tomorrow. I mean, that is June 5, you can receive your e-certificate for certification of appreciation. Number 3, whoever attended this online session level 1, this is level 2, whoever attended level 1, You will receive sooner your certificate. We already told we are going to conduct the test, but it is a level 1 course, so that we are not going to conduct any test. We are going to give an appreciation certification of appreciation. You can get soon, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So you can get your certification of completion, course completion certificate, as well as certification of appreciation. You will receive sooner through your mail, through your email ID. So that's the thing we will see. And then, so these are the things we discussed. So number one, so already level 1 conducted. If you didn't attend it, you just visit our Well Level Kalvi YouTube channel. There are so many, 15 videos are there, level class 1 to class 15. You just visit. That is the first thing. Second one, VLK, about VLK contest, that is drawing competition and poster writing competition and essay writing competition. So this contest certificate you will receive tomorrow, by tomorrow inshallah. And then number 3 is level 1 courses we conducted. That certificates, there are 8 members we selected. That 8 members we will send e-certificate. Why? Because 8 numbers means only 8 students. Why 8 students? Means they they attended more than 10 classes, so that we are giving e-certificate. We are providing e-certificate. So this level also, it may be 10 to 15 classes based on the contents. It may be 10 or it may be external, so that at least the level 2 consists of 10 to at most it will be 15 classes. So these are the things we discussed. So number 1, and remaining number of students they joined today: Kritika Kirti, and then Vaji Vijay, and Sumaya Anas, and then Vinod. Okay. So welcome all, and we are going to study about the programming language online course level 2 today. So last level, that is level 1, we closed up to arrays, but we didn't study anything about arrays. But today we are going to learn about arrays. What is arrays? What is the necessity of arrays in the programming language? So now we are going to see the class now. So first thing, today's concept is arrays. So this arrays is a common concept for all the programming languages. Arrays. Arrays. What is the purpose? What is arrays, and what is the purpose of arrays when we are using arrays? What is the necessity of arrays? So that is the thing we are going to see now. So you know very well about the name that is called variable. So anyone know about what is variable? So we already discussed in the level 1 itself. Variable is a memory holder. So it is a value holder. Memory is a value holder. It consists of values. It is a memory box, so which is used to hold the values in the programming language. So we already discussed the programming language. So for example, if I am just writing integer a, means int is a data type and a is a variable. What is the purpose of this a? Is a will be allocate one memory box that is called variable. So it consists of a space. So it is used to hold the values. So that is the name of the variable. So that is called variable. Variable is a memory holder. It is used to hold the memory. It is used to hold the value. For example, if I am just using int a is equal to 5 means, so the value 5, it will be stored into a. This is a definition of variable we already discussed in the level 1 classes. We discussed so many things in the level 1 classes. So now, what is the necessity of arrays now? So variable For example, if I'm just writing integer a is equal to 5 and then a is equal to 6. First line what we are telling means a is a variable and it is an integer type and the value of the variable is 5. So that is the meaning of the first line. What is the first line? What is the meaning of the first line? A is a variable and it is a type of integer and the value of the a is 5. This is a meaning of the first line. So the meaning, a is a variable and it is an integer type. The value of the a is 5. What is the second line meaning? A is equal to 6. So what we told in the first line, the value of a is equal to 5. And second line we are telling a is equal to 6. So the second line it will override the first line so that the value 5 it will be eliminated and 6 it will be hold into the a memory. So this is the thing it will be here. It will be done. And if I am just using a is equal to minus 5 means the minus 5 value it will replace the value 6. So the final value is minus 5. So one thing we are concluding, I'm just concluding only one thing. You can give any number of values to a, but the value, only value, it will be stored into the variable. That is the recent value. Whatever value you are giving in the recent last means it will go and store into the variable. So in that time, we have one question. The question will be arised. What type of question? Can we store all the values into the variable a? Can we store all the values into variable a? Is it possible? In the case of only one variable, it is not possible. But when we are using arrays, this is possible. And again, I'm saying it is possible to store all the values at a time into a variable a. It is not possible, but when it is possible means when we are using arrays, it is possible. How it is possible? That is a question. So that is integer a of is equal to 5, 6, minus 5. 5, 6, minus 5 means a is a variable, but it consists of 3 values. A is a variable, but it consists of 3 values. What are the values? 5 is a value, 5 is a value, 6 is a value, and minus 5 is a value. So how the first line, how this line it will be appear means, it will appear like that. 3 boxes, simultaneously the value will be stored. 5, 6, minus 5. All the values, it is coming under the name that is a. So this is variable, it is normal variable, and this is array variable. So you got it that array is a variable, but it is a collection of values. A variable consists of only one value at a time, but array can store so many values at a time. It is a collection of variables. You got it that? Array is a collection of values. So that is the first point. You got it that? So what is arrays? What is the necessity of array? Array which is used to, okay, some of them are entered into the class. There is Vinod, we are very told Smarty is. What about it? It is for programming language. And Janani M. Hello sir, hello Janani. Okay, fine, anyway. Rasina, you told something that is, sir, I can only hear your voice, but video தெரியுதுன்னு சொல்றீங்க. How about the video? Others? Is it visible? Video தெரியுதா? Video and audio, is it audio is visible either? So tell the feedback. Is it visible video and it is audible? my voice? Okay, good, super. Gemini, money, clear, sir, good. Vaji, VJ, yeah, okay, fine. Anyway, I'm just move on there. So array variable is holding only one value at a time, but array can hold more number of values at a time. So first point we already discussed, that is array is a collection of values, collection of elements. So second question. So first question is array is a collection of. The first answer is array is a collection of values, collection of elements. Second, the question is what type of values? Either it is the same type or different type. The answer is same type, because 5 is a integer value and 6 integer value and minus 5 it is an integer value. So the array should be collection of similar elements, that it is coming under the category of same. If first number is integer, means all the number it will be integer. Not as depend upon, not it will depend upon the first element. Generally, there are three things we have to discuss. The number one is array is a collection of elements. All the elements are same type and which is referred by a common name. What is the 5? What is the name of the variable? That is A. What is the position is second, but the value is 6. But what is the name of the variable? That is A. What is the name of this variable? That is A. So here it is called dimension. You know already this is a data type and this is a variable name, and nearby the variable it is a square bracket, open bracket and close bracket, means it is called array. If it consists of single open bracket and close bracket, means it is single dimensional array. If it consists of two open bracket and close bracket, means this is called two dimensional arrays. So the third question is how many dimensions are there in array? There are only two things are there. One is one dimensional, other one is multi-dimensional. So if you are using more dimensional, means it is multi-dimensional. If you are using two, that is multi-dimension. So you can use one dimension or two or three or four or five, anything. But the two categories of arrays is one is single dimensional array, number two is multi-dimensional arrays. You can use any number of dimension in the category of arrays. So you got it done? Okay. So number three, we discussed what are the things we discussed. What are the things discussed? Array is a memory, array is a variable. But what type of variable? It is a collection of variable and it is a collection of elements. So all the elements should be same, which is referred by a common name. You got it done? This is a way we have to declare an array. This is a way to initiate, we have to give an array value. Okay, so shall we proceed with the help of programming? Shall we go there? Okay, fine, we are going now. So the first thing is array, definition of arrays. The definition of arrays, we already told. The definition of array is a collection of elements. Number one, it is a collection of elements. All the elements are same type. If the types may be an integer, or the types may be a float, or the types may be a double, or the types may be a character, whatever. But all the elements in an array, it should be a similar element, similar types. So that is the second thing. And which is referred by a common name. So at the time, whenever they are asking about arrays, means you have to memorize, you have to mind 3 points. That is, array is a collection of elements. All the elements are the same type, which is referred by a common name. You got it that? Okay. So second one, types of arrays. So what are the types of arrays? How many types of arrays? We already discussed that. There are two types of arrays. There is single dimensional array and another one is multi-dimensional array. So the third thing we are going to discuss, that is syntax. First we are going to move on with the help of single dimensional array. So the syntax of single dimensional array. Single means that is one. So single dimensional array. Single dimensional. So we are going to see the syntax now. So first we have to use data type. The data type may be an integer, character, float or double. Next, we have to give the name of the array. Array name. Array name. And the third one is we have to give an open bracket, that is square bracket. It is only for arrays, and then we have to give size and then semicolon. This is the syntax of array declaration. If you want to declare an array, you have to use like this. Okay. So for example, integer a of 10. There is no space. You got it that? Now, integer is the data type and a is the array name and open bracket, 10 is the size and close bracket and then semicolon. That's what we have. Okay, shall we see that? So we already discussed the first example, that is integer. Integer is a data type and a is the array name and on open bracket 10 is the size of the array and then close bracket and then semicolon. And next one is, so here how many elements are there in an arrays? There are 10 elements should be there. So based on the size, the elements will be decided. Okay, anyway, the second one, character name. Character is a data type and name is an array. Name is the array name. Okay, so and then on open bracket and 20 elements are there in the array and close bracket, one semicolon. And the third one, double. Double is the data type. So the array name is marks. So it consists of 5 elements. So how we are telling an element means, for example, I'm just telling for the third example, there is a double marks. So there are 5 elements are there because we given 5 into the size. Okay, the first, second, third, 4, and then 5. Okay. So the first thing is, this is called marks of 0. A new thing we are studying now, the array element, it is starting from 0. Marks of 0. So this is marks of 1, marks of 2, marks of 3, marks of 4. It is starting from 0 to n minus 1. So the value of the name of this final one is marks of 4. If you are giving integer a of 100, means it is starting from a of 0 to a of 99. Arrays always begin with 0 and it will be n up to n minus 1. If you are giving the size 1000, means it is starting from, the index will starting from 0 to 999 if you are giving 1000. If you are giving 100, means it is starting from 0 to 99. And if you are giving 10, means it is starting from 0 to 9. So anyway, it will be 10 elements. It is 10 elements, but it is starting from 0 to 9. And it consists of 20. It is starting from 0 to 19. And it consists of 5. So it's starting from 0 to 4. So likewise, so the mark 0, the position name is mark 0. This position is marks 1, marks 2, marks 3, marks 4. Okay, so this is a thing. If we are writing this, means it will allocate like that: 2, 3, 4, 5. You got it there? So this is a way. This is a way array will store like that. So for example, next one. This is for array declaration. Okay. So next we are going to see for array definition or array initialization. So how we are going to initiate? So this is for array declaration. One more thing we are going to see, that is for array initialization. The same thing we are going to see: data type, and then array name. You can give any value, and then you have to give open bracket, and then size, and then is equal to. You can give any number of values here. This is called initialization of array. Value 1, value 2, like that. You can give value n number of values you can give, and then just close with the close parenthesis. Close brace and then semicolon. So can we see the example for this one? Double marks. Example, I'm just writing the example. Double. What is the marks? What is the name of the array? That is marks. And what is the size? That is 5. And then you have to give equal to. So the first mark is 60.5. Okay, and then 71.25, because we mentioned here double. If you are giving 65, means it will be 65.0, like that it will be stored there. And then 73, and then 90, and then I am just giving semicolon in the last. So how these values it will be stored there? It will be stored 60.5, it will be stored in marks of 0. And then 71.25, it will be marks of 1. Second value, marks of 1. Third value, 65.0. Why? Because this is a double value. So that. And then 73.0. 73.0, it will be stored like that. And finally 90.0. So this is a way the value will be stored. You got it there? This syntax for array declaration. This syntax for array initialization. You got the difference between array declaration and initialization. If you are not giving any values at the writing of the program, that is called declaration. If you are giving values at the writing itself, means that is called That is called initialization. You got it there? Okay, just note it down. Shall we move to the next one? Shall we go to the program for arrays? How many of you understand up to this concept? If you understand means I will ask you questions. Done. So how many of you understand? Okay, shall we go to the next one? That is program. Shall we go? How many of you new in this level? How many of you didn't attend the level 1? This is level 2. We already told that. Point la number kudukanuma sir. Magesh Prabhu. Point la number kudukalama. Question, that is a good question. இந்த மாதிரி பாயிண்ட்ஸ்ல நம்பர்ஸ் கொடுக்கலாமான்றது question. இப்போ உதாரணமா if I am giving integer here, இங்க நான் integer போட்டிருந்தா we don't give the fractional value. If you are giving means it will omit. நீங்க அந்த வேல்யூவை வந்து fractional value இங்க integer கொடுத்துட்டு இங்க வந்து fractional கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா the fractional value it will be omitted by the compiler. ஆனா நீங்க வந்து இங்க டபுள்னு கொடுத்துட்டு நீங்க இங்க integer கொடுத்தாலும் it will be treated as float. இது float தான் வந்து ட்ரீட் பண்ணிக்கும். ஓகே, so that is the thing. so அப்ப கொடுக்கலாமான்னா கண்டிப்பா கொடுக்கலாம். ஏன் கொடுக்கலாம்னா நான் வந்து டபுள் தான் கொடுத்திருக்கேன், அதனால நான் என்ன பண்றேன் இங்க கொடுக்கிறேன். இன்டிஜர்ல கொடுத்தா நான் கொடுக்க கூடாது. அப்படியே நான் கொடுத்தாலும் the compiler will omit the fraction part. ஓகே, so இதுதான் நம்ம மகேஷ் பிரபு கேட்ட क्वेश्चनக்கான ஆன்சர். Okay, Kritika Kirti understand. Smuffy Blossom understood. Okay, fine. Anyway, is there any other doubts? Okay, shall we proceed to the next one? Okay, fine. Okay, my small request, Rasina Sifana, Magesh Prabhu, and then Muhammad Riaz, and then Aisha Mubin, Smuffy Blossom, Rasina Gemini Mani, Kritika Kirti, Vaji Vijay, Sumaya Anas, and then who's next? Smarty Nitish, Janani. உங்களுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஒரு சின்ன ரெக்வெஸ்ட் என்ன அப்படின்னா, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ் வந்துட்டு தலையை காட்டிட்டு போயிடாதீங்க, எல்லா கிளாஸும் அட்டென்ட் பண்ணுங்க. ரொம்ப ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கான்செப்ட். சும்மா வந்துட்டு கிளாஸ் வந்து ஆன்லைன்ல எடுக்கிறோம், சர்வீஸ் ஓரியன்டா தான் எடுக்கிறோம். there is no motivate, எந்த ஒரு மோட்டிவேஷன் கிடையாது, மணி மோட்டிவேஷன் தான் கிடையாது. only for giving education to our students. நம்மளால முடிஞ்ச அளவு ஈஸியா கொடுக்கணுன்றது தான் எங்களோட மோட்டிவ். அதனால இன்னைக்கு அட்டென்ட் பண்ணவங்க எல்லாரும் இனி வரக்கூடிய எல்லா நாட்களையும் அட்டென்ட் பண்ணுங்க. அதே மாதிரி இன்னைக்கு கிளாஸ் இருக்குன்றத லெவல் 1ல யாரெல்லாம் கண்டினியூஸா கலந்துட்டாங்களோ அவங்க எல்லாத்துக்குமே இன்னைக்கு மெசேஜ் பண்ணிட்டோம். அப்படி உங்களுக்கு டெய்லி என்னென்னலாம் கிளாஸ் இருக்கு இல்லைன்றத வந்து உங்களுக்கு சொல்லணும் அப்படின்னா யூ ஜஸ்ட் சென்ட் யுவர் நம்பர் and this is WhatsApp numbers 9361228165. We will announce each and every notification of our Where Level Kalbi YouTube channel. So you just contact through this WhatsApp number, or you just contact through Where Level Kalbi at gmail.com. VERALEVELKALBI@gmail.com. Okay. So this is our email ID and this is our phone number. I mean WhatsApp number. You can contact through WhatsApp number. And as I already told you, the level 1 certificate you can get by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. And that is certification of appreciation you can get by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. That is the new thing. Janani M. It is a new sir. Okay, Janani M. You just attend, you just visit our videos. Level 1 videos is there. You just complete the video, see and come. So it may be very useful for you, and tell to your friends also. And today first class 13 to 14 numbers are in online. So I'm seeing each and every time. So thanks for your support, and don't forget to convey this class about this class to your friends and teachers, whoever. Okay. So this is the thing. Okay, fine. Anyway, 10 more minutes. I will finish up this first session of the class. Today we are going to see a small program that is the last content of this class now. So shall we go to the program now? So I'm just starting from C program today. Today I'm going to write only C program. From tomorrow itself, we will see C++ and Java. Okay. So now I'm just writing for C because within 10 minutes I'm going to terminate on this today's class. Okay. Okay. First one, void main. So this program is for to get the values and store into arrays and print the values. We just put the heading for that to get the values and store into array and print the values. This is a small program. We have to get the values, store into arrays, and then print the values. So this is a heading of the program to get values and store into arrays and then display the elements of an array. So this is a program. So first integer A is a array name. I'm going to give 5 values. Okay, I'm going to give 5 values. So I'm not giving here. I'm going to give at the time of run. So it is a collection of elements. So there are 5 elements we are going to get. So that we have to use for loop. So before going to display the for loop, we have to give printf enter the number, enter the elements of the array, enter the elements of the array. So anyone can tell what is the purpose of the slash n? I'm just seeing the reply. What is the purpose of the slash n? Anyone can tell what is the purpose of this slash n? I just want to reply. This is for new line, Smuffy Blossom, very good. This is slash n, it is for new line. Okay. So enter the elements of the array. So it will be displayed like that. Enter the elements of the array. After that, the cursor it will be blink here. Inga blink agama. Inga enter the elements of an array. Inga display aanadukku appuram. Inga cursor nikame inga vandu nikkum. So we want to get 5 values. 5 values of naam vaanganundradhukaga நாம யூஸ் பண்ண போறது ஸ்கேனர் தான் யூஸ் பண்ண போறோம். பட் ஒரே டைம்ல 5 வேல்யூஸ் நாம வாங்க போறதுனால we have to use for loop for I is equal to a ஓட வேல்யூ எப்படி போய் ஸ்டோர் ஆயிருக்கும் அப்படினா a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4, a of 5. சோ எப்படி இருக்கும் a1. சோ இது 0 1 2 3 4. இது a. So the first position is a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4. So how many values we need to get? 5 values. So how the elements it is starting? 0. And how it will be end? 4. So I'm just starting from I is equal to 0. I is equal to 0. And then I less than or equal to less than 5. I less than 5, and then it should be incremented after 0 and then 1 and then 2 and then 3 4. So it should be incremented by 1, so that we have to write I plus plus. So I is equal to 0, I less than 5. I less than 5 means it will be go up to 4, not 5. If you are giving I less than or equal to means it will go up to 5. So here we need from starting from 0 to 4 only, so that we are writing 0 to 5. So it is not equal to, so that it is starting from 0 up to 4. Okay. And then what are the values? This is how many values? What are the types? So there are 5 values are there. So 5 values it will be decided here. And what type of value? It is an integer value. So that we are writing percentage d. And then and a of I. Okay. So how it is working? So that should be an important. The program is not terminated. The program is not ended. I'm just explaining these 2 lines. So first, I is equal to 0. I less than I less than 5. And then what we told, we have to get each and every time we have to get an integer value. It should be stored into a of I. So first, I is equal to 0. 0 less than 5. The condition is true. 2 means we have to get an integer value. We have to get an integer value. So it should be stored into address of a of I. What is a of I? A of I is a of 0. So first we have to get an integer value. It should be stored into a of 0. Why? Because I value is 0, we already mentioned. So the first value, if we are giving 5, it will be stored here, that is a of 0. What is the value of a of 0? That is 5. You can give any value. That may be 5 or minus 5 or 500 or 5000. Any value you can give. And then it will be incremented. I is incremented by 1. That is I plus plus means that is it will be incremented by 1. That is 1. Now the I value is in the second iteration. The I value is 1. 1 less than 5. The condition is true. If the condition is true, it should be come inside. It should get an integer value. The integer value should be stored into address of a of I. That is address of a of 1, because the I value is 1. So a of 1, the second value it will be stored, that is 6. Whatever value you can give. And then I plus plus means that is 2. The I value is incremented 2 less than 5. The condition is true. True means you have to get an integer value. It should be stored into address of a of I. The I value is 2, address of a of 2. So the third value will be stored minus 1. And then the I value is incremented. The incremented value here, 3 less than or equal to 3 less than 5. The condition is true. True means we have to get an integer value. It should be stored into address of a of I. That is address of a of 3, because the I value is 3. So 0 it will be stored. Anything, any value. You have to give an integer value, that is a thing. And finally, it will be incremented by 4, incremented by 1, that is 4. 4 is less than 5, the condition is true. So you have to get an integer value that should be stored into address of a of I, that is address of a of 5, a of 4. So I am just giving 9 here. And then the I value is incremented. So I value is 5. 5 less than 5. The condition is false. The condition is false. So that the loop will be terminated after this line. So there are 5 values we are storing. The meaning of this line is we are getting 5 values in an array. If we are giving 15, it will be starting from 0 to 14. There are 15 values it will be stored into array. You got it that? How to access and store into array? You got it that? So this is a simple thing we are seeing now. And final thing is the same purpose we are going to see for I is equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. Just close. We are going to printf percentage d slash n. This is for next line. Each and every element it will be print next line, and then a of I. whatever value you got, whatever value it is as already stored into array, it will be taken from that each and every element. It will be print like that 5, 6, minus 1, 0, 9. Why it is appearing like that means we already written that is slash in. This slash in, it is treating as each and every value it will be stored into the vertical lines. It will be next lines because we gave slash in. If you are not giving slash in means it will be stored, it will be appear 5, 6, minus 1, 0, 9 without any gap. If you are giving slash t means with gap, it will be stored into the horizontal manner 5 space 6 space minus 1 space 0 space 9, like that it will be stored. So this is a small program to get an array values and to print the array values. So this is a small program. So up to this, the program is this session is ending. Print out the elements. The elements are /n. So first, the output of the program is enter the elements of array. Each and every element we are giving, and after entering 9, it will be stored. The elements are each and every line. It will be stored 5, 6, minus 1, 0, 9. Okay. So after this session is completing. This class is completing. So if you have any doubts, you just ask through the comments of previous videos, or you can comment through, you can text through the number that we already told, 9361228165. That is the second option. The third option is you can mail to us, that is weblevelkalvi@gmail.com. So these are the ways you can communicate us. And one of the important thing is that if you want to give any stickers to us, you can see the stickers. You can see here. There are dollar symbols there. If you want to pay anything to the this channel means you can press this one. There is dollar symbol is there. If you are pressing dollar symbol, there are super chat and super stickers there. So if you are pressing super sticker, so there are so many things are there. Rupees 40, rupees 60, rupees 80, rupees 100, rupees 200, like that. So if you want to give anything to our channel means you can buy the stickers to us. So it will be sent to our mailing our channel. So this is if you want to send any amount to us means you can buy this stickers. So this is a thing. And one more option is that is called super chat. So in the super chat you can get 40 rupees. If you pay 40 rupees, you can get an option called super chat. There are two options are available. If you want to send anything, if you want to contribute anything to our channel means you can use these two options. This is not compulsion. This is a suggestion to you. So thanks for your presence, and thanks for your contribution for everything. Thanks for your support, and we will see in the tomorrow's classes. So thanks for all. Thanks for watching.